In this video, I will show you how to insert pages lets you embed any WordPress content like pages, post, custom post types into other WordPress content using the shortcut API. So install, then activate. After activation, hover cursor to settings, then click on insert pages. Here guys, you will see some settings. Shortcut format. Use the page selects more readable. Example this one. You may override some default settings here. So leave as a default if you are beginner. Open any new page or old one. Then click on this plus icon. Search here insert page. Select it. Now choose a page to insert here. Then publish this post or page. So this is the way guys you can insert a page in your page post or another way. Thanks for watching and please share, like and subscribe this channel.